In this video, we will see a list of error codes related to temperature sensors for SINCLAIR air conditioners, and then we will look at possible solutions to these issues. Code F1 indicates problems with the indoor air temperature sensor being open or short-circuited. This sensor measures the temperature of the air sucked in by the indoor unit's fan to average the temperature of the room being air-conditioned. Code F2 indicates problems with the indoor coil sensor being open or short-circuited. This sensor measures the refrigerant's temperature inside the indoor unit's heat exchanger, mainly to prevent coil freezing in cooling mode. Code F3 indicates problems with a sensor located near the coil of the outdoor unit, specifically attached to the grill. This sensor measures the temperature of the air sucked in by the outdoor unit's fan to average the outside air temperature. This code is triggered when the sensor is open or short-circuited. Code F4 indicates problems with the outdoor coil sensor being open or short-circuited. This sensor measures the refrigerant's temperature inside the outdoor unit's heat exchanger or coil. Code F5 indicates problems with the sensor located on the compressor's discharge or thin pipe, which measures the refrigerant gas temperature after being compressed in the compressor. Steps to troubleshoot temperature sensor problems. 1. Turn off the air conditioner and unplug it for several minutes. Then, turn it back on to check if the error persists. 2. Locate the involved sensor based on the error code. 3. Check the sensor's position. Ensure the sensor is correctly placed and securely positioned. 4. Verify that the sensor's connections to the electronic board are secure and that the cables are undamaged. 5. Disconnect and reconnect the sensor. Clean the connections if necessary. 6. If the error persists, turn off the unit, disconnect the sensor, and measure its electrical resistance with a multimeter on the kilo-ohm scale. The measured value should never be 0 or infinite. If it is, replace the sensor. Remember that when rubbing the sensor with your hand, the resistance value should decrease. Otherwise, replace the sensor. 7. If you have the equipment manual, compare the measured value with the sensor specification table. If the measured values are incorrect, replace the sensor. 8. If the error persists, visually inspect the electronic board controlling the sensor for faults. Consider replacing the electronic board if the problem continues.